Neff K4316x4gb/04 door problem. Fridge door won't close. Pushes back about ½ inch. Replaced magnetic seal, no difference.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXXX I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. Sorry for the delay in replying, I only just came online and saw your question. Are you still looking for help with this? If you are, can you check the model number please? Stand back from the fridge and look at the top edge of the door. Is it horizontal, or does it slope slightly? Even better, use a spirit level. Thanks, Rob.
Door is perfectly level. Proved with spirit level. Model is K4316x4gb/04 neff I.T. Understand why magnet and door seal, including the new one, seems not to have attraction to door frame. I think problem is to do with fridge door hinges, which appear built into the appliance.
Hi Roger, the magnet in the door seal is not designed to pull in the door. It purely holds the door shut once it's in position. If the door won't close smoothly to allow the seal to hold, there is something wrong with either the door or the hinges. I asked about the level, as this is the most common cause of the door not closing. Distortion of the cabinet, over time, means the door will not close correctly. I am having trouble locating a diagram for this exact model. Is there not a hinge with a pin that the door sits in, at the top and bottom of the door? Thanks, Rob.
Hi, there is a small spring protruding from the bottom hinge, which was preventing the hinge from fully closing. By brute force with pliers I pulled this spring out, stretched it and cut it off. The door now closes naturally, but not smoothly. I can't see where this spring came from. I have an identical freezer, with the same hinge, and cannot locate this spring. I need, though, now to replace the hinge for a proper fix. Thanks for your assistance. Roger, Edmunds.
Hi Roger, the first am unable to find any schematic for this. However, I have managed to locate the hinges. Please see here, just click on the word in blue, you will see both hinges. If you click on both, then expand the picture, 3 large pictures of both hinge, you may be able to see something that will help. Let me know what you find. I'll continue to look. Thanks, Rob.
Thanks, Rob. I have ordered a new bottom hinge from Spares, and also returned to them the door seal magnet that I ordered in haste from them. Their comment on their site about the same problem as mine. Thanks for our help.
Hi Roger, Spares are great. They are helpful and will take stuff back if you've ordered in error. Glad to have helped. Good luck with the repair. Can I ask you to take a moment and rate my response? Please use the smiley faces which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. If you need to ask me anything after rating, please just follow the link in the welcome email. Thanks, Rob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.